Welcome back to Primetime News. In news overseas, Iran may restrict the Strait against blaming the U.S. for breaking trust. Talks resume Monday, but U.S. President Donald Trump warns the ceasefire could end. More from the CNN.
What we understand right now, these talks are very consequential, and as you heard from President Trump, the blockade and lifting of the restrictions on the Strait of Hormuz is going to be a really important part of whatever is discussed between the United States and Iran. And it's been a sticking point, right, because it's inflicting pain on the global economy, and of course in the United States, gas prices are rising, jet fuel prices are rising, and you're seeing massive issues in terms of shortfalls because this critical choke point is blocked off. Now, the Iranian military has put out a really important statement. The spokesperson says that all the restrictions are going to remain in place. So in other
And we take another break. Sports is next.